Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Brawl Stars on PC and how to play Brawl Stars on PC. So let's get into this video. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to download Brawl Stars on PC. Alright, so let's get into this video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your browser. You're going to type in LD Player. Alright, this is the link you want to click on. So now you're just going to click on it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is consent to it all. Then you're going to the top right on the search function and you're going to type in Brawl Stars. Not stars, stars. You're going to click on it. And the first thing you're going to do is download Brawl Stars on PC. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for it to install. Alright, it's done. So now we're just going to click on it. Yes, we want it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do now is click on install. It might give you a few offers. You can just reject them instantly. It doesn't matter. So what we're going to do now is just wait for the download to finish. And then we'll get into the next few steps. As you can see, we're now installing. Now we just have to wait a little bit longer. And then we should be almost done. As you guys can see, it's almost done. Alright, it's done. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for this little bit to install on the bottom of our screen. And we should get a pop-up on our screen to download Brawl Stars. It's almost at 100. Alright, as you guys can see, we got the pop-up on our screen. And we're going to install Brawl Stars. As you guys can see, it's installing. So now we're just going to wait for it to finish again. Which shouldn't be that long. So I'm just going to fast forward. As you guys can see, it's almost done installing. Alright, as you can see, it is finally done. So what you're going to do is just click on confirm. When you got this pop-up, just click on confirm. And now you're just going to launch Brawl Stars. And we're in Brawl Stars. So to walk around, you can just use your mouse and hold it down on the walking pad on the left hand side of your screen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.